Hi, this is Steve Schottenfeld, and if you're in business, this video will show you how to use Microsoft Excel to find out who your best customers are. Great salespeople know that a company's best customers are prime candidates for cross-selling, for upselling, selling new products and service to, offering discounts and other customer loyalty incentives. So best customers are a way to increase revenue at a fraction of the cost of finding new customers. What do I mean when I say best customers? Well, it's often the case that about 80% of a business's total revenue comes from only about 20% of the business's customers. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to get the list of customers that account for 80% of your business's total sales. Start by going into your accounting software and generating a sales by customer report for the year ending yesterday. Next, export that report into an Excel spreadsheet or a CSV file. There's usually a button on the report screen, or there's a file menu item that will allow you to do that. On my display right now is the exported version of a report that I exported from QuickBooks. Column B contains customer names. Column C contains the amount of sales for each customer for the period. The first customer record is in row 2. To make it easier to show you how to find your best customers, I'm going to eliminate all but the customer name column and amount column. So I'm going to delete this blank column here. And I'm also going to go down to the bottom. QuickBooks usually puts a total there, and even though I'm going to recreate it in a minute, I'm going to delete it. Okay, so now we're just left with names and amounts, and I'm going to put column headers on here. Let's say name here and amount here. Now I'm going to go back down to the bottom and recreate the total sales right here. I'm going to do an auto sum, check, and now what I'm going to do is in this cell I'm going to right click. I'm going to say cut. I'm going to go to the top of the sheet, and in cell C1 I'm going to right click again and say paste. Just increase the size of that so you can see the number is the same there. Fine. Next we're going to sort this list by amount in largest to smallest order. To do that, I can click anywhere in the list, go to the Data tab, say Sort. I'm going to sort by the amount column in largest to smallest order. Okay, that's done. And when that's done, you'll see that your best customer, the one that provided the most revenue, is now at the top of the list. Next, what you're going to do is find the customers who provided 80% of revenue during the reporting period. For that, you'll use a formula. Don't worry if you don't know anything about Excel formulas, just follow these instructions. First, right-click on column C. Select Format Cells, go to the Number tab, select General, and then say OK. Next, click in cell C2 and enter the following formula. Just follow it and you'll see it on the screen. Equals if, open parentheses, sum, another open parentheses, $2, full colon, B2, close parentheses, less than, equal, 0.8, asterisk, C, $1, comma, double quote, best customer, double quote, comma, 2 double quotes, close, and just hit enter. You'll see when you do that that it says best customer, and in fact that is one of your best customers. The only thing pretty much that's left to do now is copy that formula to all the other customers. To do that, right click on this best customer, say copy, select the one below that, and drag down to the bottom. Okay, good. Select anywhere in the selected area, right-click, and say Paste. And now you're done. If you go up to the top of the list, every customer that is in that list of customers that provided 80% of total revenue is now labeled as a best customer. That's it. So thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my other videos on how to use data to move your business forward.